Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, this video that I'm doing is about Shenseea's lighter challenge, you see me? And this lighter challenge is getting a buzz on social media. Now, for you, my viewers and subscribers, to get a good understanding of what I'm talking about, I'm going to present to you a video that's going to show Shenseea singing and putting this lighter challenge out there to the world on social media. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look and observe.
Baby, when the bright light starts to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel light. You make me feel light. You make me feel. Calling all of my singers them. Hit this note, post it on your Instagram and tag me so I can repost you guys. Tell me if my song make you feel light.
Alright, Shenseea, big up and respect to you, alright? Now, there are many videos circulating on social media that shows many persons singing and doing the lighter challenge, or you could say the lighter challenge. Is what I'm saying to you? And you know, I'm going to present to you some of these videos that are out on social media that shows persons doing the lighter challenge, or you could say persons singing, you see me? And I'm presenting these videos to you so that you can have a look at these videos, and you can also tell me what you think. You can tell me if you like these persons singing or if you do not like these persons singing, and so on, isn't it? And I'm going to put a number in front of each and every one of these videos so that you, my viewers and subscribers, can easily identify the video that you like, isn't it? Yeah, you can use the number to identify a video if you like the person singing, or if you like how the person sound, and so on, isn't it? I hope you understand what I'm saying, isn't it? You know, and after I present these videos to you, then I'm going to do a little bit of the lighter challenge for you, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, just a little bit of it, isn't it? Yeah, alright, so yeah, so let's take a look at these videos, viewers and subscribers, alright? And just observe with me.
Baby, when the bright light starts to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel light. You make me feel light. Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up the lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel lighter.
That one is scary. You see?
Baby, when the sunset starts to fade, fire up your lighter, sunshine in the rain, it makes me feel light. Take it from the top. Lighter. Light.
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, flow on with the waves. You made me feel light. You made me feel light. You made me feel.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, and a real, you know, that one start off, it start off good, but it's just the, that part that part kind of struggling, isn't it? Not bad from the start. I could take a look at number 5. Observe.
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, flow along with the wave. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel lighter.
The Lyle part, it a struggle a lot of them. Me see it.
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel lighter. You make me
Me agree say this person not do the challenge. You see me I say but No, me have got to do like Anthony Miller right about now. You see me I say me have got to do like Anthony Miller.
lighter.
Next.
Baby, when the bright light starts to fade, you fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel.
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, yeah, fire up your lighter, flow along with the wind, yeah. You make me feel light, yeah. You make me feel alive, yeah.
Baby, when the bright light starts to fade, fire up your lighter, flow along with the waves. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel.
Kinda.
Baby, when the bright light starts to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel.
Little more practice, but this person have it a little, you know?
Baby, when the bright light starts to fade, fire up your lighter, flow on with the waves. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel lighter.
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. Make me feel lighter. Make me feel lighter. Make me feel.
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, and I flow with the waves. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel.
Alright. This person in the video a while ago. Number 13, yeah, this person have it like a certain way. You see me? Yeah, this person have it like a certain way. Alright. Number 14 time now.
Baby, fade. Fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel. Baby, when your bright light starts to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel.
Yeah, she fire up the lighter a while ago. Alright.
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel.
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, roll on with the waves. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel.
Baby, when your bright light starts to fade, fire up your lighter and go along with the wave. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel.
Baby, when the bright light starts to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel lighter.
You see video number 19? You see the last video that I just presented to you? I think the person in that video should have do a little piece more. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, you should have do a little bit more. You see it? I would like to tell you in this video who I think sound the best. You see me? But I don't want you, my viewers and subscribers, to use my judgment and to say that the person sounds the best or this person sounds the best. You see me? I would like to get your honest opinion or honest opinions, about these persons singing and who you think sounds the best. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright, no. Alright, so my part, no. Alright. Me just go to the lighter part. Lighter. You make me feel lighter. Yeah, not sound too bad though. I wish. Alright, viewers and subscribers, let me know what to think about these videos. You see me, these videos, they're out on social media. We bring them to you so that you can have a look at them. You can also tell me what you think. You can tell me which one you think sounds the best or who you think sounds the best. You see me, or if you like this person singing or so on. You see me? Yeah, and you can let me know what you think overall about the lighter challenge. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. You know, say Jamaicans will say lighter. You see me? But in standard English, it's lighter. You see me? But you know it, alright? Yeah, so big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?